Asado huilense. This dish is part of the culture of the region. Its ingredients include scallions, garlic, crushed guava, ground cloves, coriander seeds, nutmeg, ground cumin, fresh thyme, fresh bay leaves, fresh oregano, salt, sour orange juice, sugar, water, and marinate meat with beer. It is served cold and accompanied by fresh baked arepas and masato or corned beer. Catherine Ibargüen. Catherine Ibargüen was born in Apartado, Antioquia. She then moved to Turbo with her mother. In Turbo, she played volleyball because of her talent. She was invited to train at the Atanasio Girardot Sport Complex in Medellin. She specialized in high jump, long jump, and triple jump. She is an Olympic medalist and world champion.